The tax forms page will outline the tax forms that are applicable to you. You will need to print these, sign these, and provide them to your withholder. You can also upload signed copies back to TDS via the document exchange facility, which is explained further in these videos. The withholder may be your employer, HR office, payroll office, or even tax office. Where you should provide your tax documents will also be outlined to you by your entity. On this page, you can also select the box shown if you consent to receive your Form 1042S in electronic format, in lieu of receiving a paper copy in your TDS account. Tax documents you may receive are Form W4. This form allows an employer to figure out how much tax to withhold from an employee's paycheck each pay period. Please note that as a non-resident alien for tax purposes, the filing status will be single, regardless of actual marital status. Form W8Ben is filed by non-resident aliens from foreign countries with which the United States has an income tax treaty. The form provides an exemption from or reduction of withholding for certain types of income. For example, scholarships, fellowships, grants, and stipends that do not require the performance of a service, dividends, and royalties. Form 8233 must be filed by all non-resident aliens who receive certain types of scholarship or fellowship income and personal services income. Form 8233 is used to claim a tax treaty withholding exemption for part or all of both types of income. Form W9 is generally used to provide and certify your correct taxpayer identification number, or TIN, and to certify that you are not subject to backup withholding. This form is typically used when a person or entity is required to report certain types of payments paid to the taxpayer. Form W7 is used to apply for an individual taxpayer identification number, or ITIN, for non-citizens who aren't eligible to receive a social security number but need to file a federal tax return with the IRS for income from US sources, or they are entitled to a refund of withheld taxes under a tax treaty.